How did South Africa drag Israel to the International Court of Justice over the Gaza war when no single South African was involved in the war? This is based on the principle of Erga Omnes under international law. Let me explain. First of all, we need to understand the legal concept of locus standi, which is the right to stand or to institute an action. Israel does not accept the International Court of Justice general jurisdiction over all disputes. This means that South Africa could not institute a lawsuit on general laws of war or occupation. They needed a specific treaty gateway. The gateway was Article 9 of the 1948 Genocide Convention, which both Israel and South Africa are signatories to. Now, this treaty provides that where there is a dispute between any of the parties, then such dispute can be taken to the World Court. Now, this is where the principle of Erga Omnes comes in, which means a duty owed to the international community. In essence, South Africa just wanted to maintain an action regarding a duty that Israel owed to the international community, even without being involved in the war. While reviewing South Africa's application, the International Court stated that all the member states owed the duty for the prevention of genocide, which means that South Africa's application was a good one, according to the court. In essence, South Africa did not need South Africans to be involved in the war before they can have a legal standing to institute an action. To also understand this litigation, there are two aspects that should be considered. They are called the provisional aspects and the merits of the case. This means that to get an order of the World Court for Israel to allow humanitarian aid, South Africa needs to prove just a prima facie jurisdiction and a risk of harm. The ultimate merit of genocide also requires proving the intention to destroy a group, which is the highest evidentiary threshold in international law. By using Erga Omnes, South Africa proves that nations around the world can use the treaties under international law to bring other nations to account for their actions during wars. Do you think that by invoking this principle, some nations are being held accountable for their actions? Or is this tool going to be used as a political warfare by nations to drag some other nations to the international court? Like, share, and comment. Let me hear your thoughts.